Okay, what we're going to try to do here is get my 1967 Cadillac Coupe DeVille back up and running. I do not recall the last time this car was outside. It's probably been close to a year. We usually take it out for Christmas and Thanksgiving, but the weather was so bad last year. It was raining. I won't drive this car in the rain, so we left it. So first things first, let's see if there's any battery. Interior lights came on. That's a good sign. I know there's probably hardly any juice in that battery, but at least it's not totally dead flat. You can tell it's been unloaded. The hood releases, and we'll easy up the hood. I don't know how dark it's going to be because the rental place doesn't have lighting. So what we have here is a 429 7-liter Cadillac V8. Let me go grab my jump pack and see if we can get her to at least turn over. There we go. I got this little thing off of Amazon, and it never ceases to amaze me what it can do. Positive. I'm gonna push the button on the side. The button on the side. Yeah, super boost. Give it a little juice. Let's see if she'll turn over. Battery's a little weak, but the jump pack seems to help it quite a bit. Alright, let's see. It takes a little bit for gas to get up to the car, but give her another round. I don't have a good connection. Sounds like I don't have a good connection to the jump pack. Let's see. We can improve that. Give her another whirl. Getting closer. Okay, I can smell a little gas. Jump pack is showing some kind of flashy air over here. Two bars left. Okay, maybe that's all I need. Get back to flashy. Oh, you're mad you're not hooked to this. Okay. Let's give her another shot. I think we're getting close. One works. She is alive. She don't sound good, but she's alive. Come on, keep her going. Come on. There we go. Okay, well, that's what she should sound like. I bet you this thing sat a year and listened to it. It's amazing to me. All right, we'll get the cover off it and I guess back her outside.